In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur text in Adobe Acrobat, a useful skill for ensuring privacy and confidentiality in your documents. Whether you're preparing a contract, a report, or any document that requires sections of text to be kept hidden, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process in a very straightforward way. To start off, we need to open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Then find and open the PDF file you want to work with. If you haven't installed Adobe Acrobat yet, you'll need to download it from their official website and install it on your computer. Once you've opened your desired PDF file, take a look at the left section of the interface where you'll find the All Tools tab. Click on it and then scroll to locate the Redact tool, which is designed specifically to help you conceal or remove text and images from your document. With the Redact tool selected, you can now move your mouse over to the text or images you wish to blur out. Click and drag the mouse across the content you want to redact. This highlights and selects the sections of your document that will be concealed in the final version. Pay close attention to make sure you've covered all areas that need redaction. If this is your first time, it might be helpful to zoom in a bit to make sure your selections are as precise as possible. Once you've made your selections, it's time to apply those changes. Look for the Apply button on the toolbar and click it. At this point, Acrobat will review the selections you've made and prepare to redact them permanently from your document. A confirmation box will appear on your screen. This is an important step because it confirms that the selections you made will be removed completely and can't be reverted later. If you're sure everything is correct, go ahead and click Continue to confirm your decision. Finally, the program will prompt you to name your newly redacted PDF and choose a location on your computer to save it. Be sure to give it a descriptive name, perhaps noting that it's a redacted version so you can easily find and reference it later. Remember to save the document in a location where it's easily accessible but also secure, especially if the contents are sensitive. And there you have it, you've now learned how to blur text in Adobe Acrobat using the Redact tool. This simple but effective process is invaluable for protecting confidential information and ensuring that you're maintaining privacy standards across all your documents. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of our tutorials for helpful guides and tips just like this one.